Mocha opening her package. What is it? What is it, girl? What is it? Ooh, Cheweasel. What else is there, girl? What else? Hey girl, what's this? Chicken flavor ferret chew treat. And bones. What is that? And then you got your foamy fries. There she is. What do you think, girlie? We got a bag of ferret food. Yeah. Ooh. Ferret food, girlie. What else is in here, honey? Ferret skin and coat supplement. Ferret tone in a new bottle. I have a new bottle. What else is in here, girl? Ooh, we got some weasel litter. Weasel litter. Anything else, Nosy? That's it, hun. There we go. That's it, honey. Okay, girl. Come on, where'd you go? I'll show the gift ferret. Hey, what are you doing, girl? You like your gifts, little Weezy?